Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to change language in Battlefield 6 Season 2 game. So after you launch Steam or wherever your platform is or wherever you want to play the game, I am showing an example in Steam. If you are playing the game on Steam, after that go to the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and here you can see language option is selected as English by default. When you click on the arrow icon, you will get lots of other languages. So whatever you want to select, just for example select French, and after you select French, you can see that the language of that game will be changed to French language. Now you can restart your PC once and then try to play the game and launch the game, and the language will be selected as French. But if you want to change it back to English once again, you simply have to go to under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and here in language option you have to select English. So this will change the language to English as before, and after that you can easily play the game with your selected language. So by this way you can easily change the language from English to any other language or revert back to English once again in Battlefield 6 Season 2 game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.